Try BLOOKET, a super fun gamified quizzing app that allows your students to quiz themselves on sets that you create for vocab words, questions, or anything that you feel like they need a review of. The best part is you can import Quizlet sets that you've already made by going to the 3 dots on your Quizlet set, hitting export, and copying the questions to import into your BLOOKET dashboard. Click the 3 dots on your Quizlet set, hit export, and then copy and paste into your BLOOKET dashboard. Give your BLOOKET a name, paste your set, and then hit Save Set. Search for your set, play a live game altogether, or assign it as a homework game for independent practice. Click Assign Now, and then copy your link and save it to Google Classroom. Post and let your students play, have fun, review your words, and enjoy. This game is Cafe, where students get to earn food and money and feed their customers by answering questions. Great for hybrid classrooms, asynchronous or synchronous activities you want your students to review on. Bye.